Episode 4, this is where the work begins. Every cut you produce must be uniform in shape and size. Not just because it looks good, although it does, but because uniform cuts cook evenly, and inconsistent cuts do not. Learn the names, learn the dimensions, then practice until they are automatic. Start with the sticks. The bayonet is the foundation for almost everything else, 6 by 6 mm, 50 to 60 long, like a thick matchstick. Square the vegetable first, slice planks of 6 mm, stack them, then cut sticks of 6. Every one the same. Take it finer and you have the julienne, 3 by 3 mm. Finer still, the fine julienne, 1½ by 1½ And remember, the finer you go, the sharper your knife has to be. You will not cut a fine julienne with a blunt blade. The dice come straight from the sticks. Once your sticks are cut, you simply turn and cut across them. Small dice, 6 mm, for chowders and soups, because they hold their shape under heat. Medium dice, the Parmentier, 12. And large dice, the Care, 20, for stews and rustic dishes. The finest dice of all, the Brunoise. The Brunoise is your finest dice, 3 mm cubes, cut across your julienne. And the fine Brunoise, 1½ mm, from your fine julienne, is the smallest and most precise cut in your whole repertoire. And finally, the specialists. 5 to know. The Paysanne, the Chiffonade, the Concassé, the Supreme and the Tourne. The Paysanne, thin, flat, 10 mm pieces for rustic dishes. The Chiffonade, for leafy herbs, stack the leaves, roll them tight, and slice into fine ribbons. The Concassé, a tomato, blanched, peeled, seeded, and roughly chopped. The Supreme, clean citrus segments, cut between each membrane. And the Tourne, a 7-sided barrel cut, carved with the Tourne knife into a small symmetrical football. A classical test of control. So practice the bayonet and the Brunoise until they are automatic. Precision first, and speed second, that order never changes. That is the full set of precision cuts. In episode 5, the final one, we cover station setup, the color-coded boards, and how to clean and store your knives correctly. See you there.